Hello, welcome to a quick unboxing of the Graphen 2S 0.95 amp hour Lipo battery. Let's check it out. Warning advice. And there it is. Just slide it out. Oh, let's remove that sticker. And there it is. Quite small, pretty long for its width, and yeah, pretty light actually for graphene. So let's start with the weight. So that's 50.4645 grams. Actually, we can remove this as well. And let's measure again. 50.41 grams. Okay. Now let's check the size. Let's start without the connector and cables. The length is 72.64 millimeters. The width is 26.26 millimeters, and the height is 14.98 millimeters. And if we count for the connectors, the length will be around 74.49 millimeters. Okay, so that's pretty cool. I'm going to be using this in the X-Bird from Rise and Hobby, the vertical takeoff and landing plane. That's a tail setter, and yeah, I think this will gonna be a nice package. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.